Do you want to let users control values in your Python GUI by simply dragging a slider? In this video, we'll add both a floating point slider and an integer slider to our DearPyGui window. First, we create a function called onSliderChange. This function runs whenever a slider's value changes. It receives the current value, passed in as app data, and prints it to the console. That means as you drag the slider, you'll instantly see its updated value in real time. Then we create a window labeled slider example and add two sliders inside. The first one is a float slider, starting at 0.5 and going up to 1.0. The second one is an integer slider, starting at 5 and going up to 10. Both sliders are connected to our onSliderChange function, so any movement triggers the function automatically. After setting up the viewport and starting DearPyGui, you can drag each slider and watch the values update live in the console. In the next video, we'll explore how to combine multiple widgets to make your GUIs even more interactive. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.